Hi guys, thanks for joining me with Always in High Heels. Happy to be back with you guys. Today we're going to do a hair tutorial and we're going to talk about this crazy messy braid. Let's get started. We are going to do my current favorite go-to really dirty hairstyle that goes by lots of names. It can be a loose braid, messy braid. I personally like to call it Disney hair. My mom named it Disney hair and I just love that. So it's really easy, possibly one of the easiest hairdos that you will do. The best thing about this hair style is that it really needs really dirty hair. My hair has really naturally no texture to it, so it makes things like ponytails or braids or anything quite difficult, and it really doesn't like to do anything when it's clean. So it hasn't been 4 days since I've showered, but it has been 4 days since I have washed my hair. So this has a lot of dry shampoo in it. It has some volumizer in it. Leave comments below if you want to know what products I use. I have a few favorites. But here we go. Let's get started. So we've got dirty hair. I sprayed in some more dry shampoo and some volumizer here. So I part my hair on the left just because that's how I do it. And bring everything over around to my left. Another great thing about this is that it doesn't have to be super perfect because it's just going to be really messy. So we've got all the hair on the left, and full disclosure, I didn't even brush it today. So that's how easy this hairstyle is. All right, so I'm going to pull this into 3 parts. And I'm just notoriously a slow braider. I don't really know why. I'm just not one of those people that's super fast at it. So bear with me. Also, you can tell on my wrist, I really love the invisible bubble right now, and I love the clear one. I generally forget to take it off when I take pictures or anything, so it's nice that it's clear. Okay, so I'm gonna stop my braid a little bit before you normally would. I'm gonna leave a little bit of a tail here, because you're gonna pull some of that back out and you don't wanna run out of hair. Okay, braid. So here's what a normal braid would look like. It's pretty tight, pretty clean. I'm gonna come up here and I'm just gonna loosen it up. Get a little messy. I like leaving a little bit extra over here. It doesn't matter if the hair is really straight or anything in the back. Just get messy. I love getting messy. Okay, now I'm gonna start at the bottom and you're just gonna pull. You're gonna pull on that first layer. Make sure you don't pull your ponytail out, but this is why we left some hair here, because we're already shorter now. You just take that and you continue as you go up. Just pull side by side, all the way up till you get to the top. And then you just make it messier. Messy, so messy. Fluff it out. Give it some body, make sure it's even, and there you go. All done. A nice little Disney hair, Disney princess hair, quick braid, easy. It looks super complicated, but it took us under 3 minutes, like magic. All right, guys, thanks for following along. Thanks for hanging out with us. Like, subscribe, follow. Make sure you get the emails in your inbox. I love hanging out with you guys, and leave comments below if there's anything that you want to see. Talk to you again soon.